Hello again, everybody. This is the Let's Learn section for Unit 5 of Let's Go 5. And in this unit, we first learned 6 different chores. The chores looked like this.
Do the laundry.
Set the table.
Make the bed.
Dust the furniture.
Mop the floor.
Wash the car.
Great. And then we learned a yes-no question pattern that we have never learned before. In your books, it looked like this, and it's using the helping word will, which tells me about the future. So with this pattern, we learned will, he, she, If it's a yes answer, we can say yes, he, she will. However, if it's a no answer, then we have to write will not, and will not shortens to won't. So the answer would be no, he, she won't. Great. First, let's practice that pattern a little bit. Will Jenny mop the floor?
No, she won't.
Will Kate dust the furniture?
Yes, she will.
Will Scott do the laundry?
No, he won't.
Okay, cool. And now that we're done, our main pattern for this page was what will he, she do next? And in your books, it looked like this. The answer can be he, she will probably, or we could say he, she probably won't, And probably is an important word. It means most likely or, 80 to 90% sure. And we can just put it right after the will or right before the won't. Okay, let's practice that pattern too. What will they do next?
They'll probably wash the car.
What will they do next?
They'll probably set the table.
What will she do next?
She'll probably make the bed.
Great! Now that we're done practicing, we can jump into today's workbook pages. All right, these are the Let's Learn pages, 40 and 41 in the workbook, and part A is a whole page. First, we have to look at the charts, and then we have to answer these questions with yes, he, she will, or no, he, she won't. So I'm going to go ahead and just trace all these checks. I don't know if we're supposed to trace them, but they're in that tracing color. So I'm going to feel better if my checks are traced. Okay, we've got Kate's chores are here, and Scott's chores are here, and the chores are all the same. Do the laundry, set the table, make the bed, dust the furniture, mop the floor, and wash the car. There's a lot of chores. Okay, so this is Scott. Will he make the bed? Yes, he will. Even if they do it just one time that week, we can say yes. Number 2, will she mop the floor? So here's Kate, mop the floor. No checks, so no, she won't. Remember, won't is the contraction, the short form for will not. Will, and this is will not, won't. Number 3, will she make the bed? So here's Kate, make the bed here. Yes, 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 she will. Okay, number 4, will she wash the car? Here's Kate, here's wash the car. No, 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 no. Yes, yes, she will. Yes, she will. Okay, will he, so Scott, will he dust the furniture? Here's Scott, find dust the furniture. There it is, yes, right there. Yes, he will. Yes, he will. Will he set the table? So here's he, Scott. Here's set the table. No, 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 no. So no, he won't. No, he won't. He probably won't set the table. All right, number 7, will he wash the car? Here's wash the car. Here's he first. Here's wash the car, and no, 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 no. So no, he won't. He won't wash it. All right, last one. Will she do the laundry? All right, she is Kate. Do the laundry is here. No, no, she won't. No, comma, she won't. And part A is done. Right, this is part B. It says look and check. What will they probably do next? And remember that means probably means most likely or maybe you think it will happen. So here we go. They have some laundry and laundry soap. So do we think that will they do the laundry or fold the laundry? I think they will do the laundry. So A. And number 2, he is getting out of bed. So will he make the bed or eat breakfast? I think he will probably make the bed. She has a bucket and a sponge. Will she drive the sparkle car or will she wash the car? She will probably wash the car. All right, and she has a duster and she's found all of this dust. Here's a line. She's wiped her finger on the furniture and made this line in the dust. So what will she do? Set the table or dust the furniture? Well, I think she will dust the furniture. Part B's done, and now for part C, we have to look at these pictures and write it. Okay, let's look at B and then write the questions and answers. Number 1, what will they do tomorrow? In the picture it was laundry, so they've written for us. They'll probably do the laundry. We can just trace that. And they'll means they will. Okay, number 2. What will he do next? Number 2, he got out of bed, so next he will, so he'll probably make the bed. Make the bed. Okay, number 3 is this girl here, and we have to make the question first. So what will is our helping word. It's a girl, so she, and then do next. Do next. And number 3, she had the bucket and the sponge, so we picked wash the car. So we'll write she'll, she will, she'll probably, and then wash the car. Wash the car. Perfect. Okay, number 4, a whole question. Number 4 was this girl, so we can say what, helping word will, she do next? She'll probably, P-R-O-B-A-B-L-Y, she'll probably, we picked this one, which was dust the furniture. D-U-S-T, dust the, I don't have enough space, so I'll write it down here. Furniture, period, cross out there, period. I am all done. Very good job, everybody.